So, starting with the little girl, that is chapter number 3. Now, before you read, or we will have the chapter set of this, but before that, let us see something important about the chapter. What is it? That is the little girl. Do you think you know your parents better now than when you were much younger? Perhaps you now understand the reason for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. The story about a little girl whose feelings for her father changed from fear to understanding to probably find a equal with everything. Okay? तो ये यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं? Okay, so this story is about a little girl जिसकी जो feelings थी ना उसके father के लिए they changed from fear to understanding, and this is going to probably echo in every home. We'll probably find an echo in every home. मतलब हर घर में ऐसी एक situation होती है जो इस little girl की थी. And the name of the little girl is Kezia. तो ये हम Kezia की story पढ़ेंगे. So Kezia is the main character of the story. So this time you'll also be getting the character sketches to be written down. आप character sketches भी देखोगे from each and every हर chapter में एक दो characters होते हैं important one. So इसमें कौन सा है? Kezia is the main character. Okay. So this short story is based on the life of young girl. ठीक है? Little Kezia. So Kezia is little girl and she is the main character, and इसके father जो है बहुत successful businessman. So, looking at the chapter sketch, try to understand it. अगर आप chapter sketch बहुत अच्छे से समझ जाओगे, so definitely you are going to understand the text very nicely. So the little girl Kezia, she was afraid of her father, and she always stuttered while speaking with him. बहुत वो fear afraid करती थी, बहुत घबराती थी वो अपने father से, and जब भी वो अपने father से बात करती थी ना, she used to stutter. Stutter समझते हो? अटक अटक के बोलती. ठीक है, ऐसा ही होता है. समटाइम्स हम बहुत ही फ्लुएंट बोलते हैं, बट समटाइम्स हम बंदे से हमें थोड़ा हेजिटेशन होता है जिससे हम थोड़ा घबराते हैं. तो क्या होता है, उसके सामने जाते ही हमारे बोलते ही हमारी जो आवाज होती है स्टार्ट शेकिंग और स्टार्ट स्टटरिंग, घबरा के हम जो बात करते हैं. So similar thing happens with this little girl Kezia. Now Kezia has to take off father's dream and she was not satisfied with it. Kezia को क्या करना पड़ता है? अपने father को तो दूर है ना, उन्हें टेक ऑफ करना पड़ता है. Kezia also went to church with her father on Sunday. अपने father के साथ Sunday church में जाती है. On Sunday afternoon, Kezia and her grandfather and her parents के साथ बात करने के लिए she was also. But they never taken a boat there. On Sunday afternoon, Kezia की जो grandmother है ना, she sent her to talk to her parents, but they were always busy. One day, grandmother told Kezia about her father's birthday. एक दिन grandmother ने Kezia को बोला कि father's birthday is coming, so you need to do something for him. So Kezia decided to present him. What he should present? क्या present करें? So he thought she decided that she would give him a pink cushion. Only pink cushion gave him. She stuffed the pink cushion. Now what happened? She prepared to make a cushion. बहुत लंबा cushion she made pink cushion लगाया. But the thing that happened that was जो pink cushion का बनाना है उसको कटिंग करनी है. वो उसने क्या किया? वो अपने father के लिए कुछ important paper देता. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so she decided that she is going to present a pin cushion to his father. Now, she stuffed the cushion with the paper from her father's room. She took a paper from her father's room and she stuffed it with it. उसने उस पिन कुशन को अपने फादर के लिए कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स थे उन्हीं को कट करके उन्हीं से उस कुशन को स्टफ कर दिया. नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ ग्रेट प्रॉब्लम क्योंकि वो फादर के बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स थे. So the papers were very important for her father, and the father whipped Kezia with a ruler after knowing the truth. And after knowing the truth, what the father did, father को इतना गुस्सा आया that he whipped Kezia with a ruler. उन्होंने स्केल उठाया और Kezia की पिटाई कर दी. Just imagine a father beating a girl with a ruler is such a bad thing. ऐसा हो जाए तो सोचो वो बच्चा कितना ज्यादा डर जाएगा अपने फादर से. And the similar thing happens with Kezia. Kezia never forget that cruel act of his father. Kezia उसके बाद में अपने फादर का ये जो क्रूअल एक्ट था ना वो कभी भी नहीं भूली. Okay, she never forget that cruel think that his father did that he beat her with the ruler. And one day Kezia saw her neighbors playing with their children. Now one day what happened? Kezia ने next उसके बाद क्या हुआ? She saw his neighbor जो अपने बच्चों के साथ में खेल रहे थे. And looking at that, one day her mother got ill. अब हुआ क्या? उसको देखते रहे and one day उसकी मॉम जो थी वो बीमार हो गई and Kezia was alone at home. और केजिया घर पे बिल्कुल अकेली. Alice the cook put her into the bed and asked her not to disturb her father. Now Alice जो उनकी कुक थी ना put her into the bed. वो उसको ले गई, उसको सुला दिया and asked her not to disturb her father and told her that you are not going to disturb your father. अपने फादर को बिल्कुल भी आप डिस्टर्ब नहीं करोगे because he is sleeping, he is tired. And she got a horrible nightmare and started screaming. Now what happens? While she was sleeping, तो उसको एक बहुत ही horrible सा nightmare, रात को एक बहुत बुरा सपना आया and she started screaming. Her father came and took her to his bed. उसके father आए और उसको उठा करके बेड पे ले गए अपने बेड पे and she lay still with him and realized that her father had a big heart too. And the father बहुत ही affectionately उसके father ने उसको अपने साथ में सुलाया. And later Kezia, when she saw that father was caressing her so much, then her father, she realized that his father is not that cruel. He also have a big heart in him. उसके फादर जो है उनके पास में एक बहुत बिग हार्ट भी है, उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा. ओके, सो दिस वी कैन से स्टोरी अबाउट द लिटिल गर्ल दैट इज kezia, जो बहुत अफ्रेड थी, बहुत डरती थी अपने फादर से. बट व्हाट हैपेंस कि वो इतना ज्यादा घबराती थी ना दैट उसके मन में कहीं ना कहीं डर बैठ गया. एंड इन बिटवीन इंसिडेंट हैपेंड कि उसके बाद में वो कभी भी वो क्रूअल एक्शंस अपने फादर के भूली नहीं. बट लेटर सडनली अ पॉइंट केम कि शी रियलाइज दैट नो, फादर इज नॉट सच अ बैड मैन, ही ऑल्सो हैज अ गुड हार्ट विद इन हिम. So you understood the story. Basically, I think you understood the conceptualization of the little girl, and now we can move on with the text. Okay, so look here. Now, to the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss, to which she responded with "Goodbye, father." And oh, there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. Now, to every girl, father क्या होते हैं? एक figure होती है to be feared and avoided. ठीक है, हर little girl के लिए. But every morning before going to work, he came to her room, Kezia's room, gave her a casual kiss, and in which return वो क्या उनको reply देती थी? Goodbye dad, goodbye father बोलती थी वो. And oh, वो एक बहुत ही great sense of relief था, glad sense of relief था when she heard that the noise of carriage, कि जब उसको गाड़ी की आवाज आती थी ना कि फादर जा रहे हैं fainter and fainter fainter going down the long road, कि चलो पापा अपने ऑफिस गए या wherever he wants go, जहां भी वो जाते थे वो वहां पे चले गए. In the evening when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my paper's out there and bring me my slippers. And in the evening when he came home, जब वो घर आते, she stood near the staircase, वो सीढ़ियों के पास में खड़ी रहती, her loud voice in the hall, bring my tea into the drawing room, hasn't the paper come yet. ये सारे questions उसके फादर को उनको सुनाई देते. मदर फटाफट जाती and she used to see if my papers out there and bring me my slippers. उसके स्लीपर्स लेके आती और लेके आओ, और वो इस तरह के सारे ऑर्डर्स एंड कमांड्स जो थे वो केजिया के फादर आते ही स्टार्ट कर देते थे. Kezia, mother would call her, if you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots. Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs, more slowly still across the room and push open the drawing room door. Kezia, mother उसको बुलाती है उसकी and she says, yes, if you are a good girl ना, then come down, take off your father's boots. Slowly the girl would slip down the stair more slowly still across the hall and push open the drawing room door. And by that time he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? I don't know, father. This way she used to stutter, she used to stammer. Now, What happened when Kezia's mother told her that if you are a good girl, then just come down, take off your father's boot. The girl would slowly and बहुत ही we can say reluctantly she used to come down the stairs and more slowly across the hall and push open the drawing room door. And by the time she reaches the drawing room, he had his spectacles on and looking at her over them in a way that was very terrifying, especially for a little girl. हमने देखा होगा ना कई लोग जो डरावने से होते हैं, नोज के एकदम टिप पे चश्मा लगाते हैं, चश्मे के ऊपर आंखों से आपको घूर के देखते हैं, तो वो थोड़ा सा टेरिफाइंग होता है, स्कैरी होता है. एंड स्पेशली फॉर द लिटिल गर्ल्स, लिटिल जो चिल्ड्रन, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, उनके लिए तो बहुत ही स्कैरी होता है. ठीक है. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. He says that, well, Kezia, hurry up, जल्दी करो and pull these boots and take them outside, और इन्हें बाहर ले जाओ. Have you been a good girl today? क्या तुम एक बहुत good girl बन के रही हो आज? So she used to say, I don't know. She used to stutter and give the reply कि मुझे नहीं पता. जस्ट इमेजिन, आप लोग इमेजिन करो कि जब कोई पर्सन स्टटर करता है तो आई डोंट नो को वो किस तरीके से बोलेगा, तो सेम वो वे में केजिया बोलती है. You don't know? If you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor. Now see, the cruelty of a father starts. फादर कहते हैं you don't know, इस तरीके से उसको ना वो स्टटर करके उसका मजाक बनाते हुए कहते हैं what is this? Why are you stuttering like such? So if you keep on stuttering like that, na, your mother would like to have to take you to a doctor. दिखाना पड़ेगा तुम्हें डॉक्टर को. Because she never stuttered with other people. But होता क्या था ना, she never used to stutter with other people. वो और किसी के साथ भी स्टटर नहीं करती थी. Had quite given it up. बिल्कुल उसकी स्टटरिंग चली गई थी. But only with father. सिर्फ फादर के साथ में होता था. Because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly. Because she was trying very hard just in order to say the words properly. सिर्फ words को अच्छे से बोलने के लिए. What's the matter? Why are you looking so wretched about? Mother, I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide. Here, Kezia, carry my pack up back to the table carefully. Now, what's the matter? वो कहता है, what's the matter? क्या दिक्कत है? Why are you looking so wretched about? Mother, I wish तुमने इस बच्ची को सिखाया होता not to appear on the brink of a suicide, that about to commit a suicide. Here, Kezia, ये लो मेरा टेक बैग लेकर के जाओ and keep it carefully on the table. So father's behavior was not at all good. We are able to see it, understand it. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. And he was so big. उनके hands, उनकी neck, especially his mouth, जब वो yawn करते थे ना, उबासी लेते थे, इतना बड़ा खुलता था. Thinking about him, अकेले में इनके बारे में सोचना तो था. It was to think about a giant. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. But little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on a sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. You can see in this picture. On Sunday afternoon, grandmother used to send her down. She always used to say, go downstairs, go to the drawing room where their father and mother is sitting, go have a nice talk with them. But the girl always found, whenever, as soon as she reaches the drawing room, she found that mother is busy reading, sitting on the sofa, and father was stretched out on the sofa. Father आराम से सोफा पे stretch out किए हुए हैं. उनका हैंकरचीफ से उन्होंने अपने फेस को कवर कर रखा है. His feet on one of the best cushions, feet one of the best cushions पे रखे हैं. Sleeping soundly and snoring, बहुत ही sound sleep ले रहे हैं. And as well as he is snoring, और वो मजे से snore कर रहे हैं. Snore समझते हो क्या होता है? Snore होता है खराटे लेना. ठीक है. तो वो क्या कर रहे थे? खराटे लेना. खराटे ऑलवेज डिस्टर्बिंग होता है. व्हेनेवर यू आर स्लीपिंग एंड कोई आपके पास में बैठ के खराटे लेता है, somebody snoring. So are you able to sleep? No, you are not able to sleep. Even we say either you go out, अगर नहीं जा सकते तो we are going out. So now she sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched, and asked the time, then looked at her. Don't stare so, Kezia, you look like a little brown owl. One day when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. Now, she sat on a stool, she gravely watched him until he woke up and stretched, and asked the time, what is the time? Then looked at her, फिर उसकी तरफ देखते हैं and she said, इस तरीके से मत देखो केजिया, don't stare like this, इस तरीके से तुम बिल्कुल एक little brown owl के जैसी लगती हो. One day when she was kept indoor because with the cold, ठंड थी बहुत, her grandmother told her that, उसकी grandmother ने उसको बोला that father's birthday was next week, father का birthday है next week, and suggested, और उसको suggest किया that what you have to do, that you should make him a pincushion. You start making a gift for your father and make him happy. A gift बनाओ अपने father के लिए and just make him happy. So what you have to do? She suggested her कि तुम एक pincushion बना लो as a gift for your father out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. ये एक beautiful yellow silk का piece है that I am giving it to you, and you start making a very beautiful pincushion for him. Laboriously, with a double cotton, the little girl stitched 3 sides, but what to fill it with? That was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. On the bed table, she discovered. On the bed table, what she discovered? She discovered that there were many great sheets of fine paper, gathered them, tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her case and then sewed up the 4th side. Now very laboriously, that is with a lot of effort and difficulty, Kezia started making a pincushion for her father. And this little girl stitched 3 sides, but what to fill it with? इसको किससे fill करेंगे? That was the question. It was the biggest question arising over there, and grandmother was out in the garden. She wandered into the mother's bedroom looking for the scraps कि कहीं कुछ मिले, but उसको कुछ नहीं मिला. But on the bed table उसने देखा कि there were some sheets, great many sheets of fine paper, बहुत ही fine paper की sheets थी. She gathered them up, उसने उनको इकट्ठा किया, tore them into tiny pieces, छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में उसको फाड़ लिया, and stuffed her case, और उस पूरे वो जो उसने 3 side stitched एक केस बनाया था ना, उसने उसके अंदर उनको भर लिया. And she sewed up the 4th side, and उसने 4th side को sew up किया, and the cushion was prepared. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the Port Authority had been lost. Rooms were searched, servants questioned. Finally, mother came into Kezia's room. Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on the table in our room. Oh yes, she said, I tore them up for my surprise. What? Screamed the mother. Come straight down to the dining room this instant, and she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro, hands behind his back. Well, he said sharply. Mother explained. She stopped and stared at the child. Did you do that? No, no, she whispered. Mother, go up to her room, fetch down the damn thing. See that the child's put to bed this instant. Now what happens? Something very amazing happens. बहुत ही amazing सा ये एक एक्सपीरियंस है, इंसिडेंस है, हम देखेंगे इसको. देन सडनली क्या हुआ, एक रात को अचानक चिल्लाने की आवाजें आ रही है घर में, लाउड ह्यूज एंड क्राइज. ठीक है, एंग्री प्रोटेस्ट सुनाई दे रहा है. एंड इट वाज दी, किसका प्रोटेस्ट था? बिकॉज फादर की एक ग्रेट स्पीच थी फॉर द पोर्ट अथॉरिटी, वो खो गई थी स्पीच. इट वाज रिटन ऑन द पेपर, वो खो गई. एंड रूम वाज सर्च्ड, और पूरे रूम में सर्च किया गया. That if somebody found it, अगर किसी को वो मिल जाए तो. Room was searched. Servants questioned. Servants ने question किया, and finally mother came into Kezia's room. जब servants को सवाल जवाब किए गए, कुछ नहीं मिला. Finally the mother came into Kezia's room. Mother Kezia के room में आई. Okay. As soon as the mother entered Kezia's room, Kezia, mom पूछती है Kezia, I suppose that you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. I suppose कि तुमने ये जो कुछ papers हैं, ये हमारे room में table पे, I think you haven't seen them. तुमने नहीं देखी. Kezia says, oh yes, मैंने देखे हैं. मैंने उनको फाड़ दिया, and I have used them up for my surprise. That surprise I was preparing for father. मैं जो surprise उनके लिए बना रही थी, मैंने उसको उसमें use कर लिया. Now, what? Screamed the mother. Mother started screaming. What? क्या कह रहे हो? Come straight down to the dining room this instant. Immediately, इस instant मेरे साथ you come to the dining room, and she was dragged down to where the father was pacing to and fro. And she was dragged down to that place where the father was pacing to and fro. मतलब father इधर उधर टेंशन होती है तो सब इधर उधर चक्कर काटते ना. Father was also pacing to and fro and hand behind his back, और उनके हाथ जो थे behind his back, पीछे थे. Well, he said sharply. उन्होंने बोला well. Mother explained. What did the mother say? Mother ने बहुत अच्छे से उसको explain किया. Mother said, पूरी बात फादर को बता दी कि किस किस तरीके से ये चीज उन्हें कहाँ पे मिली है. He stopped and stared at the girl. As he was pacing up and down the hall, so suddenly what happened? He stopped and he just looked straight, that stared at the girl. And जैसे ही वो उसको स्टेयर कर रहा था ना, Did you do that? क्या तुमने ये किया है? Now Kezia बहुत ही whispering sound में स्टार्टर करती हुई बोली, नहीं नहीं नहीं, no no no, अटक अटक के बोल रही थी. मदर गो अप टू हर रूम, जस्ट ऊपर जाओ उसके रूम में एंड फेच डाउन द डैम थिंग, और उस बेकार चीज को लेकर के आओ विच शी हैज मेड. सी दैट द चाइल्ड पुट टू बेड दिस इंस्टेंट एंड लुक, सी वो चीज यहाँ लेके आओ एंड सी दैट दिस चाइल्ड इज पुट टू बेड दिस इंस्टेंट, इसी वक्त इस बच्ची को ले जाओ और सुला दो. अदरवाइज अगर ये मेरे सामने रह गई एंड द थिंग इज फाउंड दैट यस इट इज हर फॉल्ट, तो इसका क्या होगा? आई रियली डोंट नो. Now, crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. The father came into the room with a ruler in his hand. Now, father ने देखा and father को पता चल गया कि भाई ये क्या था. फादर समझ गए कि ये तो हमारी केजिया के ही काम है. अब क्या होगा? Now Kezia is going to get, उसको बहुत भयंकर मार पड़ने वाली है. शी इज गोइंग टू हैव अ नाइस बीटिंग फ्रॉम द फादर. बहुत अच्छे से पिटाई होगी. ऑब्वियसली उसकी जगह कोई भी होता उसकी होती. क्राइंग टू मच टू एक्सप्लेन, वो शी वॉज लाइंग इन द शैडोड रूम वॉचिंग इन द इवनिंग लाइट. वो इवनिंग लाइट को देख रही है कैसे मेक अ सैड लिटिल पैटर्न ऑन द फ्लोर. वो सैड सा लिटिल पैटर्न बन रहा था फ्लोर पे. फादर केम इन टू द रूम, फादर रूम में आए, एक रूलर था उनके हाथ में. I am going to beat you for this, he said. उन्होंने बोला कि मैं तुम्हारी पिटाई करूंगा इसके लिए, whatever you have done. Oh no no, she screamed, hiding under the bed clothes. वो बेड क्लॉथ, बिस्तर जैसे ब्लैंकेट हुआ, जो भी हुआ ना, जो भी बेड क्लॉथ होते हैं, बेडशीट्स, एनीथिंग, वो उसके नीचे हाइड किया एंड शी स्टार्टेड स्क्रीमिंग. ओ नहीं नहीं नहीं, प्लीज नहीं, प्लीज नहीं. ही पुल्ड देम असाइड. उन्होंने उसके वो सारे जो बेड क्लॉथ्स थे, ही जस्ट पुल्ड देम असाइड. सिट अप, he ordered. उन्होंने उसको ऑर्डर किया, just sit up and hold out your hands, and just hold out your hands. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. He said that you must be taught once and for all. तुम्हें एक ही बार में बात समझा दी जाए ना तो बेटर है, क्योंकि बार बार ये चीजें नहीं होंगी. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट डज नॉट बिलोंग टू यू, जो चीज तुम्हारी नहीं है ना उसे मत छुआ करो. बट इट वॉज फॉर योर बर्थडे. नाउ शी अगेन स्टटरिंग, शी सेज बट फादर इट वॉज फॉर योर बर्थडे. ये तो मैंने आपके बर्थडे के लिए प्रिपेयर किया था. नाउ हु नोज दैट कि बर्थडे सरप्राइज भी इतना हॉरिबल हो सकता है. नाउ शी सेज दैट दिस वॉज फॉर योर बर्थडे डैड. डाउन कम द रूलर ऑन हर लिटिल पिंक palms. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her into the bed rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. What did God like fathers for? She sobbed. अब now hours later, उसके down खूब उसको rulers पड़े at the little pink palms, छोटे छोटे उसके pink से हाथ थे, उसको खूब पापा ने स्केल से पिटाई कर दी उसकी. And hours later, when the grandmother wrapped her in a shawl, और उसको अपनी लैप में ले लिया एंड रॉकिंग चेयर पे उसको रॉक किया. शी वॉज जस्ट क्लंजिंग टू द बॉडी, सॉफ्ट बॉडी ऑफ द ग्रैंडमदर, बिकॉज शी वॉज वेरी स्कैर्ड. शी वॉज सॉबिंग. उसका मूड बहुत खराब था, बहुत रो रही थी वो. एंड शी रोते रोते वो क्या बोली कि भगवान ने फादर किस लिए बनाए हैं ग्रैंडमा? व्हाई गॉड मेड फादर्स फॉर? व्हाट इज देयर वर्क? कि वो ऐसे पिटाई करने के लिए होते हैं क्या? हियर इज अ क्लीन हैंकी डार्लिंग, blow your nose. Now grandmother says, now take this clean hanky darling and just blow your nose and go to sleep. सो जाओ. But you'll forget all about it in the morning. कोई बात नहीं, तुम सो जाओ. Just calm down because morning में तुम इसके बारे में सब भूल जाओगी. Nothing is going to, we can say, trouble you in the morning. जो भी है अभी सो जाओ. Everything is going to be finished off. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. She says कि I tried to explain to father, उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की फादर को समझाने की, but this night he was so upset that he is not in a mood to listen to it anything anymore. But the child never forget. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and the red color flew into her cheeks. But the child never forget this cruel act of his father. And next time, as soon as she saw him, जैसे ही वो देखी, she used to quickly put both her hands behind her back and red color flew into her cheeks. उसकी जो cheeks थे ना बिल्कुल लाल, डर के मारे एकदम चेहरा लाल हो जाता था उसका. द मैकडोनाल्ड्स लिव्ड नेक्स्ट डोर। मैकडोनाल्ड्स की जो फैमिली थी वो जस्ट हमारे नेक्स्ट डोर रहते थे। दे वर द नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर्स। दे हैड 5 चिल्ड्रन। उनके 5 चिल्ड्रन थे। लुकिंग थ्रू अ गैप इन द फेंस द लिटिल गर्ल सॉ देम प्लेइंग। Sad in the evening, the father with the baby Mao on his shoulder, 2 little girls hanging onto his coat's pocket, ran round and round the flower bed, shaking with laughter. Once she saw the boy turn his nose on him, and he tried to catch them, laughing all the time. Now, McDonald's, who was living just next door to them, Kezia, once he says that McDonald's have 5 children, and Kezia, the little girl. Through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing and putting a tag that is a children game for catching one another. बच्चों के गेम होते हैं, कैचिंग वाले गेम्स होते हैं वो इन द इवनिंग टाइम। फादर जो थे उनके पास में उनका बेबी था, छोटा बेबी था, ऑन हिज शोल्डर दैट इज बेबी माओ, एंड 2 लिटिल गर्ल्स जो उनकी कोट की पॉकेट से हैंग कर रही थी। दे वर रनिंग राउंड एंड राउंड द फ्लावर बेड, shaking with laughter, हंस रहे थे। They were just shaking with laughter. They were so much happy. And once she saw the boy turns the hose on him, तो एक बार उसने देखा बॉय ने hose ही turn कर दिया on him, and he tried to catch them, laughing all the time. But such after this work also, she always used to catch them just laughing all the time. वो हमेशा हंसते खेलते रहते थे। Then it was she decided there were different sort of fathers. Now it was she decided, उन्होंने decide किया that there were different sorts of fathers. बहुत different kind के father होते हैं, and मेरे father अलग हैं, मैकडोनल्ड्स के fathers अलग हैं। Suddenly what happens one day, mother became ill. Mother जो थी वो बीमार हो गई, and she and grandmother went to the hospital. और mother और जो grandmother थी ना, they went to the hospital. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice the cook, and the little girl she was left alone in the house with Alice and the cook. कौन कौन थे? वो लिटिल गर्ल थी, घर में एलिस थी जो उसकी कुक थी। That was all right in the daytime. दिन में तो सब ठीक था, चल गया काम, ठीक है। But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. Now she was a little girl. छोटे बच्चे अकेला नहीं रह पाते है ना। जब तक दिन था ठीक था, but as soon as the night came and Alice was putting her to bed, वो suddenly ही डर गई, घबरा गई। She became suddenly afraid. What will I do if I have a nightmare? She asked. उसने क्या पूछा कि अगर मुझे कोई बैड ड्रीम आ गया, कोई बुरा सपना आ गया, then मैं क्या करूंगी? What will I have to do? मैं क्या करूंगी? I often have nightmares and then Granny takes me into her bed. मुझे अक्सर रात को बुरे सपने आ जाते हैं, and after that what happens? Granny मुझे अपने साथ अपने बेड पे ले जाती है। I can't stay in the dark. मैं अंधेरे में भी नहीं रह सकती। It all gets whispery because अंधेरे में आवाजें जो होती हैं वो whisper करने लगती हैं, and this gives us a scary thing. You just go to sleep, child. Now the grandmother says, doesn't matter. You just go to the sleep, child. Said Alice, pulling off her socks. ऐसा Alice ने बोला, सो जाओ, कुछ भी चिंता मत करो. Just go to sleep, pulling off her socks. And don't you scream and wake your poor pa. And don't you dare scream. चिल्लाना मत कि चिल्ला करके तुम अपने poor father को जो है उन्हें उठा दो. ऐसा कुछ भी मत करना. But the same old nightmare came. The butcher with a knife and a rope who came nearer and nearer smiling. That dreadful smile, while she could not move, could only stand still, crying out, "Grandma, Grandma." She woke shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. "What's the matter?" he said. Now, but what happens? अब इसके बाद में क्या होता है? Some old nightmare came. Same old nightmare came. वही बुरा सपना। Butcher जो था, with a knife and a rope, who came nearer and nearer, जिसके पास और पास आते हैं, smiling the dreadful smile, वो अपनी बहुत ही dreadful सी smile में smile करते हुए, while she could not move, वो तो move ही नहीं कर पा रही थी, could only stand still, she was just standing still, एक जगह पे खड़ी है, crying out, "Grandma, Grandma." What was she crying out? She was just saying, "Grandma, Grandma." She woke shivering to see, she just woke up shivering just to see that the father behind her bed, that her father was behind her bed. A candle in his hand, और उसके हाथ में क्या था? कैंडल थी। What's the matter? He said. He asked her, "What's the matter? क्या हुआ?" "Oh, a butcher, a knife. I want Granny." एक butcher है, एक knife है, and I want my Granny. मुझे मेरी Granny चाहिए. He blew out the candle, bent down and called her. Now what happened? He just blew out the candle. He bent down and he caught up the child in his arm. उन्होंने बच्चे को अपनी गोद में उठा लिया. ठीक है? Carrying her along the passage, उस passage में he carried her along to the big bedroom. उस big bedroom तक ले गए. A newspaper was on the bed. Newspaper था bed पे. He put away the paper. उन्होंने paper को side में रख दिया. Then carefully tucked up the child and carefully he tucked up the child. उस बच्चे को उन्होंने उठाया and he lay down beside her और उसको अपने पास में side में लेटा लिया. Half asleep still. The girl was still half asleep. Still with the butcher smile. अभी भी वो butcher smile थी. All about her it seemed, ऐसा लग रहा था all about her. She crept close to him. She just crept close to his father. Snuggled her head under his arm. अपने head को उनके arm के अंदर उसने snuggle किया. Held tightly to the shirt. उनकी shirt को बहुत ही tightly पकड़ लिया. Then the dark did not matter. She lay still. और वो जो darkness थी ना वो matter नहीं कर रही थी because she was lying still. Here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm, said the father. Father said, here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm. Karam kar lo unhe, said the father. So this was a very affectionate action from a father. So from here, the changes starts coming. And now, the remaining we are going to do in our next class because the time is getting to be over. We won't be able to complete it. Okay. So in the next class, we will continue with the chapter. Till then, what you have to do, you have to go through the text. अभी तक का जो text है, you just go through it. Any queries, just उनको इकट्ठा करके रखो. And in tomorrow's class, after we finish off the chapter, we are going to solve up the queries. वैसे जहाँ तक है, I think it was nicely explained, well explained. So you must have understood it nicely. You didn't have any queries. I hope so. But if still there are, so you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Okay. Till then, what you have to do? You have just take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe and keep studying.